Hello everybody, káàbọ, welcome to my channel. I am Sisi Lola and I dey very happy say you come here today. You know what in? This channel na special something we go they talk about African culture, we go they celebrate our heritage, and we go they show the world. Say, Africa sweet die. Make, I tell you, small story. You see, when I dey think about our culture, it dey make my heart full. Asawa, our culture, you get plenty things way they make 'em special. From our music to our fashion, from our food to our language. Everything just a burst brain. Awo Afro beats now. This music done scatter everywhere for the world. Burna Boy, Wizkid, Davido, Tiwa Savage, all these people done carry our sound go international. E choke, the thing sweet me die, and Fashion Enko, Ankara, Adir, Aso Oke. These fabrics done become global phenomenon. You go see 'em for Paris Fashion Week, you go see 'em for Milan. Our designers done they represent well. We know they carry last at all. Make we talk about jollof rice small. Ah, this one, na serious matter. The debate between Ghana jollof and Nigerian jollof, edonte way ede hot. But abeg, make we no lie to ourselves. Nigerian jollof sweet pass? Bo oro yi o. If you disagree, come and argue with me for the comment section. Now, technology and innovation. This one the where they pain me say people know they give Africa credit. You know say MA Pisa start from Africa? This mobile money revolution way done change how people they send money? Na African innovation be that. Fintech startups for Lagos, Nairobi, Cape Town. Dem they solve real problems with African solutions. Tech hubs, they spring up everywhere. Young people they code, they build apps, they create solutions way fit our African context. In no be say we they copy Western technology, we they innovate for our own way. Imopet, you know say, our languages done plenty well. Africa get over 2,000 languages. 2,000 each one with own beauty, own wisdom, own way of seeing the world. Yoruba language alone get proverbs way fit teach you life lessons. Owe Yoruba, our proverbs. Dem deep pass ocean. Let me yarn you about Ubuntu philosophy small. You know this word, Ubuntu. It mean, say, I am because we are. This African philosophy they teach us say we all connected. Your success, na my success. Your pain, na my pain. We day for this thing together. And no be individualism like for Western world, na community we day talk about. And our festivals nako, Osun Festival, Durbar Festival, Calabar Carnival. These celebrations they show the richness of our culture. The colors, the dancing, the music, the food, everything just they burst with life and energy. Make I talk about our food small. Jollof rice we done mention. But what about a goosey soup? Pounded yam, suya, akara, moi. Pepper soup way go reset your brain. Our cuisine is something else entirely. Each region get own special dish, own way of cooking. The variety just day mad. You see our storytelling tradition? The way our elders they tell stories under moonlight, that thing the art form. Folk tales about tortoise, about Anansi the spider, about brave warriors and wise queens. These stories don't pass from generation to generation, teaching us values and wisdom. Now, make we talk about the future. Africa way they come, ego sweet well. Young people done they wake up. Dem they start businesses, dem they create content, dem they build technology, dem they make music, dem they design clothes. The creativity just they overflow. We get challenges, yes, but we also get solutions. We get problems, yes, but we also get innovators. Way they tackle those problems. The narrative about Africa, they change, and the we they change am. So this channel, na for all of us. Whether you de Lagos or you de London, whether you de Accra or you de Atlanta, whether you de Nairobi or you de New York, if Africa de your heart, this place na your home. Every week, I go bring you fresh content. We go explore different aspects of African culture. We go spotlight African innovators. We go celebrate African creativity. We go have conversations, way matter. We go laugh, we go learn, we go grow together. Subscribe hit that subscribe button make you no miss any video. Like the video if he sweet you. Share with your friends and family. Drop comment, tell me where you dey watch from, and wait in you when make we talk about next. This na just the beginning. We get long journey ahead, but it go sweet. Awa lo ma se a. We go do am. Together, we go showcase the beauty, the innovation, the creativity, the resilience of Africa to the whole world. One love. Ubuntu, Iseungan an. Thank you plenty. I dey wait for your comments, Make we dey interact, make we dey learn from each other, make we dey celebrate Africa together. Until next time, keep celebrating your African heritage. Keep being proud of where you come from. Keep pushing boundaries. Keep innovating. Keep creating. Keep shining. Africa to the world. We dey here, we dey strong, and we know they go anywhere. This na our time. Eseon. Thank you. See you for the next video. One love.